today's tutorial, we will go over a beginner's complete guide to using Discord. Discord is a voice over IP platform that allows you to connect and communicate with people using voice and chat. Some new users find this platform difficult to navigate through. Therefore, this tutorial will provide the necessary visual aid and steps to help you get on your feet with using Discord and understand how it works. To get familiar with Discord, we will begin by starting with the sign up link shown on the bottom screen. Enter the link and download Discord for Windows 10 as highlighted. If you are using a different OS such as Linux or Mac OS, click on Downloads to scroll through the different operating systems you can download with Discord, supporting iOS, Android, Linux, and Mac. When Discord is downloaded, go ahead and sign up under your email, new username, password, and date of birth by clicking on Register on the bottom corner. Once registered, the Discord platform will appear. As a new user, everything will look clean and empty as shown. However, to really understand how each space works and how to navigate through them, we'll show a filled Discord account while demonstrating what each spaces are. Starting with the left space is where your chat and community channels. These two are separated by left space and right space as shown. The left are the different community chats you have joined, and the right are the individual chats you've made with each user, known as direct messages, as indicated. However, if you do not see it this way, then click on View again to reset the platform. Going back to the brand new account, you will see on the community chats on the top left side of Discord an exclamation icon. This is a part of Discord's tutorial for starting a new server of your own. Clicking on the exclamation mark shows available templates you can use, such as gaming, school club, and study group. And if you have a code, you may also join an existing server on the bottom as indicated. After you choose an option, create the server name and profile pic for the server. When you're done, you will see a brand new empty server which you can begin adding channels and voice chats. This server can do many things once you can get comfortable with its environment. For example, inside this filled community server looks much differently than a brand new server. To explain this, we'll demonstrate what each spaces are. This section highlighted are the voice and chat channels that have been made. Icons with a number symbol like this are the channels that you can join depending on which group chat you are in and what topics are discussed inside the channels. For example, this channel specifically discusses about the ANU projects and topic ideas in chat. However, icons that have speakers are just like the different chat channels, except they are open voice chats that you can join and schedule any time of the day. Clicking on a channel will open up a large chat on the right side that's highlighted. Looking on the top right and bottom corner shows all the community members that have joined the server. Users at the top are either online or away with a yellow crescent, and users all the way to the bottom are offline. To expand your server using voice chats and chat channels, click on the plus icons highlighted. There are two plus icons. One is to create new text channels and the other for creating new voice channels. Clicking on one will give an option to create a name specific to this channel, as well as the option to create either a chat channel or a voice channel. If you want, you may also enable private channel to create a community where only selected members can view. Once you've successfully created a channel, another section will be added in the text channel or voice channel, depending on which one you made. You can rename these channels anytime, as well as customize it to your liking. Lastly, if you want to join popular public servers in Discord, official or non-official communities, click on the compass icon on the community channels area and browse through the different genres and games that you would like to join. For example, you can join the public server for Rocket League by clicking on Join Rocket League at the top, which gives you full access to its server. Browse through these servers and be part of the gaming community as well as educational communities. Now you know how to use Discord.